Good day to you from me, BernieB in Hamilton. Let's say you're painting your home and you're searching for a roller and you're going to your local paint store and you want to buy the cheapest roller. Think again, because at the end of the day, you want the perfect finish. So today I'm going to explain to you a little bit more about the roller to give you a better understanding and hopefully make your choice next time a lot easier. So let's get started. Quality is often tied in with price. So cheap rollers really retail like this roller for about 30 Rand. I mean, look at that. Looks like it's on a diet. Another thing is about a roller is the nap, or as we know as the pile. This is what is bonded to the core, which is this area here. Now, if you buy a roller and you can literally see the lines within the pile, it's not good at all. I mean, look at this. This is glued on with a glue, which is not ideal for a roller. And sometimes you can find this patterning in the coating when you are busy rolling. So you want a roller that is thermobonded. So what is thermobonded? It's bonded by heat. So the surface of the plastic sleeve core is melted and the fabric is wound onto the core. And this allows greater longevity of the roller as there's no glue to break down. So quite important, look for a thermobonded roller. Let's take a look at the pile difference, the thickness of the roller. To the left, the poly pile, which has a medium pile, and to the right, the classic. You can see it's a lot thicker. So that covers medium to rougher surfaces. So the right nap or pile for the type of wall you're painting. Okay, then we get specialty rollers, so rollers that are designed for a specific function, like Hamilton's epoxy pile. Now, that epoxy pile is for water and solvent-based epoxy applications, as well as applying resins, fiberglass, and specialized floor coatings. Now, the one on the left is a textured roller. So this is to be used with a high viscosity paint, so a very thick paint, to give you quite a rough texture on a wall. Okay, so hopefully I've taught you something about rollers. No, 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 no. Get Hamilton's for the perfect finish. Thank you from me, BernieB.